Want a robot vacuum that focuses on vacuuming instead of adding a mop you may never use? Here are 5 options for 2026, ranked from the strongest overall choice to the weakest package. The Roomba Max 705 takes first place because it offers the best balance of cleaning, navigation, and hands-free use. For me, it feels the most prepared for a normal home filled with rugs, shoes, cables, and pet hair. LiDAR creates organized maps, while the front camera helps recognize cords, socks, and pet waste. Its dual rubber brushes resist tangles better than traditional bristle rollers. Add carpet boost, repeat passes over dirty areas, and a dock that holds up to 75 days of debris. And it needs less attention than most rivals here. But there are limits. The dock needs disposable bags, the robot has no HEPA filter, and its 4.1-inch height may keep it out from under low furniture. It is also a premium vacuum-only model, so you are paying for smarter navigation and automation. Choose it for mixed floors, pets, or a cluttered home where obstacle avoidance matters. If pure debris pickup matters more than automatic emptying, the next model becomes very interesting. Links to all products from this review at the best available price are in the description below the video. The Samsung Jetbot comes second, and its cleaning results are the main reason. Independent testing showed excellent pickup on hard floors and strong carpet results, so this is more than a good specification sheet. LiDAR keeps it moving in an organized pattern, and suction changes with the floor and detected debris. Compared with the Roomba, it is less automated, but it is a very capable cleaner, especially in homes with plenty of hard flooring. The trade-off is convenience. This version has no self-emptying station, its bin is small, and it cannot recognize cables or socks with a camera. Long hair may also wrap around the brush, so some manual cleaning is still needed. Pick it if reliable floor pickup matters more than a smart dock. But if you want automatic emptying without replacement bags, the next option may fit better. If this comparison is helping, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. The Shark AI Ultra ranks third. Its big advantage is the bagless, self-emptying dock, so you do not need to keep buying replacement bags. That is simple and practical in everyday use. Its LiDAR works in bright or dark rooms, while Matrix Clean sends it over selected areas in a tighter grid with repeat passes. Runtime is longer than on the Samsung and Dyson, and the dock uses HEPA filtration to help contain fine dust. But this is where the ranking becomes clear. Independent testing found weaker fine debris pickup on low-pile carpet and inconsistent edge cleaning. Hair can still wrap around the brush roll, and its obstacle avoidance is less capable than the Roomba's camera system. Emptying the bagless dock can also release more dust than removing a sealed bag. The Shark suits mainly hard floor homes that want self-emptying without bag costs. If budget, mapping, and long runtime matter more than dock automation, the next model takes a simpler route. The iLife. A 3OS takes fourth place, but its feature list is still useful. Its main strengths are LiDAR navigation, long advertised runtime, and high manufacturer-rated suction. In daily use, that should help it cover larger spaces without charging too soon. It also supports room cleaning, zones, no-go areas, and multiple maps. The physical remote is useful too, especially when you do not want to open an app for a basic command. The biggest issue is confidence. Far less reliable independent testing is available for this model than for the others. It also lacks a self-emptying dock, uses basic sensors rather than true object recognition, and may struggle with thick rugs or higher thresholds. Wi-Fi setup requires a 2.4 GHz network. This is for buyers who want LiDAR and long runtime in a simpler robot. But if suction, filtration, and a low body matter most, the final model offers a different mix. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav finishes fifth, which may be surprising because its suction and airflow are very strong. When it passes directly over debris, it can clean well, and the full-width brush covers more floor than many narrow robot brushes. It also offers whole machine HEPA filtration, a low 3.9-inch body, and an extending side duct for wall edges. Compared with the iLife, it feels more focused on filtration, and it fits beneath slightly lower furniture than the Shark. But strong suction cannot fix inconsistent navigation. Independent testing found missed floor areas, weak avoidance of cords and small objects, and poor carpet and pet hair results caused by incomplete coverage. It also has no self-emptying dock, a small bin, and the shortest runtime here. Consider it for open, uncluttered hard floors where filtration matters. For most homes, however, the higher-ranked models are easier to trust for complete automatic cleaning. Check the top-ranked products using the links in the description below the video. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product comparisons.